Let's see one more example where we will be doing minimization of DFA for this. See, watch it. Okay, what is happening? Yeah, this is the DFA. How can we know that it is a DFA for each of the states? There is a transition given for each of the input symbol. What is the input alphabet here? Sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay. Now, first thing what you have to do is just draw the transition table. Okay. See, before drawing the transition table, just rule number one is what I told you. Rule number one. First rule was what? It was find the state which is not reachable from the initial state and just delete it. Is there is anyone? Just check it out. Q0 is itself a initial state. Q1, yeah, it is reachable by A. Q2, yes, it is reachable by through A. Okay, it is there. Q3, yeah, there is no way to reach at Q3. I cannot move to Q3. There is no way. So what we will do? First of all, we have to delete it, and all the transitions also we have to remove it. Got it? So this is the first thing which we have to do. So just remove it all. Okay. Now this is the actual DFA which we have to minimize. Okay. Where the pointer gone? Yes. Now you have to draw the state transition table or state transition diagram. So how we draw it? We just simply write all the input symbols here, all the states here, Q0, Q1 and then Q2. I think it should be visible. Okay. Q0 on A is moving to Q1. Q0 on B, C. Just mark one more thing. Q0 is the initial state here, so mark it, and Q1 and Q2 are the final state, so just mark it. It will help you later. Okay. So Q0 on A is moving to Q1. Q0 on B is remaining at Q0. Okay. Q1 on A is moving to Q2. Okay. Q1 on B is remaining at Q1. Okay. Q1 on B. Yeah, right. Q2 on A is moving to Q1. Write it down. Q2 on B is remaining at Q2. Okay, just mark the final states Q1 and Q2 wherever it is. So it will help you and the no error chances will become low. Okay. So now what we will find, now there is no requirement of this DFA. Okay, we just by looking at this table we can draw the minimized DFA. See, now what we have to find out is zero equivalent. How we used to find zero equivalent? Just makes groups of final states and non-final state. So what are the states which are non-final? Q0. So Q0 is the state which is non-final, so it comes in separate group. And what are the states which are final? Q1 and Q2. So Q1 and Q2 comes here. Okay, these are the final states. So this is called as the zero equivalent. Just write down separately all the non-final state and all the final states. Now we have to find the one equivalent. For one equivalent, see, Q0 is itself separated, so there is no way to separate it because it is already alone. Okay, so let's find out the Q1 and Q2 whether they are falling in the same group in one equivalent or not. So how we find? Watch it. Q1 and Q2. For Q1 and Q2 we have to find Q1 and Q2. See, Q1 on A is Q2. Q1 Q2 is in the same group. Q2 on A is Q1. Q1 Q2 in the same group. Now watch it. Q1 on B is at Q1. Okay, it is falling in the same group. Q2 on B is at going at Q2. Q2 already falling in the same group. So it means they will be forming a group. There is no need of separation. Now if you find both the equivalence diagram are same, so there is no need for further finding two equivalent or three equivalent and more. Okay, so what we'll do, we have find it out that there will be two states, one is this and one is this in the final DFA. So let's draw the final DFA. We already know, see, Q naught will one of the state and Q1 Q2 will be one of the state. Okay, we already know Q naught is the what initial state, Q1 and Q2 is the final state. So this is the final state. Now you just fill the entries based on this. You draw the entries based on this diagram or table. See, Q1 Q naught, upon scanning A it is moving to Q1. Okay, moving to Q1 on A. Now Q naught on scanning B going to remaining at Q naught. Okay, now Q1 Q2 we have merged it. So what is happening? Q1 Q, see, Q1 Q2 on A remaining at Q2 Q1. So Q2 Q1 is itself, so this is A. Now Q1 Q2 on B is at Q1 Q2, so this means this. Got it? So this is the minimized DFA of this diagram. See, anyway it was looking minimum but it was not. This is the minimal DFA of it. Got it? Okay, thank you.